Good morning, students. Last time we had started with direct and indirect speech, that is lesson 17. So now let us start further with point number D. We had finished up to exercise 1 last time, right? Now let us start with changing personal pronouns and possessives. Personal pronouns are pronouns which are used for persons, right? And possessives, how we can change it into indirect speech. Changing I, my, me, mine, we, our, us, ours from first person. These are all first persons, right? How to change it into indirect speech. These words refer to the speaker, so they change according to who the speaker is, right? For example, I said my friends are very helpful to me. अब ये मैं बोल रही हूँ, राइट? अब मेरा बोला हुआ किसी और को आप जा कर के सुनाते हो तो क्या बोलोगे? आई सेड दैट माई फ्रेंड्स वेर वेरी हेल्पफुल टू मी, राइट? आर का हो जाएगा वेर. Then you said my friends are very helpful to me. Then it becomes you said that. My का हो जाएगा your, because you is the second person, right? Your friends are very helpful to you. Me becomes you. Why? Because it is your friends, right? So it becomes you. Then he said my friends are very helpful to me. He said that his friends, my here is used for whom? Him. So his friends were very helpful to him, right? Me का हो जाएगा him. First person it remains the same. Second person it changes, and third person also obviously it changes. Then exercise 2, let us solve it. Put the following sentences into indirect speech. अब इसका हमें change करना है into indirect speech. So let us do it. The first sentence is I said to my mother, I said to my mother, it is my mathematics teacher who has awakened me to the beauty of mathematics as a subject, right? So how will you transfer it now? I told my mother, said का हो जाएगा told. I told my mother that it was my mathematics teacher who has awakened me to the beauty of mathematics as a subject. I remember that you said usually I don't take my parents' help to do my work. I remember that you said, right? That you said that usually I becomes you. You don't take the help. You don't take help. Take your parents' help. Sorry, take your parents' help. My parents will become your parents. Parents help to do your work. Right? जहाँ जहाँ पे माई है वो सब योर हो जाएगा. रिचा सेड ऑल द बुक्स लाइंग ऑन द शेल्फ आर माइन. रिचा सेड दैट ऑल द बुक्स लाइंग ऑन द शेल्फ वेयर हर्स. किसके हैं? उसके हैं, रिचा के हैं. माइन मतलब मेरे नहीं है, तो माइन बिकम्स हर्स. I said to the manager, I have been working with the company for 5 years and nobody has ever found fault with my work. So how it becomes? Number 4, I told the manager that I had been working with the company for 5 years and nobody had ever found fault with my work. Mr. Biswas said my business began to flourish with my son joined me after my son joined me. Mr. Biswas said that his business had begun to flourish after his son had joined him, right? Then you yourself once said, I have tried my level best to solve the financial problems of my friends, but nobody has ever thanked me. You yourself once said that you had tried your level best to solve the financial problems of your friends, but nobody had ever thanked you. Ashima said, if I have a problem, my mother is always there to help me. Ashima said that if she had a problem, her mother was always there to help her. Then third one, now exercise, sorry, not third one, we were to do this, yeah, changing you, your, yours. Okay, exercise 2 and 3 and 4 I will all together focus on the answer key, right? So that at one stretch you can write down all the answers by pausing the video if you want. I have as it is narrated all the answers here with, but still if you make some spelling mistakes you can just cross check it with the answer keys, right? Okay, now changing you, your, yours as second person. These words refer to the person being addressed, so they have to change accordingly. Minnie said to me, your teachers have praised you, right? Minnie told me that my teachers had praised me. Have becomes had praised me. Minnie said to you, your teachers have praised you. Minnie told you that your teachers had praised you. Minnie said to her, your teachers have praised you. Minnie told her that her teachers had praised her, because यहाँ पे her is the subject, इसको बोला जा रहा है, object है, तो उसके हिसाब से change होता जाएगा. जो भी object है, you है यहाँ पे, तो your becomes, right, the into indirect speech, और यहाँ me है तो my teachers. Okay, so now let us solve exercise 3. Put the following sentences into indirect speech. Mrs. Rao said to the students, you should carefully read the question at least twice before you start writing the answer. So what will be the answer? Mrs. Rao told the students that they should carefully read the question at least twice before they started writing the answer. Mrs. Krishnan said to me, the stories you tell in the class are very interesting. Mrs. Krishnan told me that the stories I told in the class were very interesting. Mandira said to Tanu, if you keep on working hard, you will definitely succeed in realizing your dreams. Mandira told Tanu that if she kept on working hard, she would definitely succeed in realizing her dreams. The man at the counter said to us, you will get an additional 5% discount if you purchase books worth 500 rupees. What would it be? The man at the counter informed us that we would get an additional 5% discount if we purchased books worth 500 rupees. Sonam's mother said to her, if you had not detected that mistake in the accounts, your company would have suffered a heavy loss. Sonam's mother told her that if she had not detected that mistake in the accounts, her company would have suffered a heavy loss. My father said to me, your performance has improved during the past 6 months. You must improve it further. My father told me that my performance had improved during the past 6 months, but I had to improve it further. Now point third, he, his, him, she, her, hers, it, its, they, their, them, theirs, that is third person pronouns remain unchanged. The librarian said students must bring their identity cards to the library. The librarian said the students had to bring their identity cards to the library. Put the following sentences into indirect speech. The manager says the workers were sincere. Besides, they did their work with great efficiency. Right? So have you changed it? The manager says that the workers were sincere. Besides, they did their work with great efficiency. Sania said to her mother, when the child saw the balloon, his eyes beamed with joy. Sania told her mother that when the child saw the balloon, his eyes beamed with joy. I said to my father, Smita herself is to blame to her failure because she does not take her work seriously. I said to my father that Smita herself was to blame for her failure because she did not take her work seriously. The coach said if Arjun goes for regular practice, he will soon become the best swimmer of the school. The coach said that if Arjun went for regular practice, he would soon become the best swimmer of the school. The teacher said to us The Marathas lost power because they did not remain united and started fighting among themselves. The teacher told us that Marathas lost power because they did not remain united and started fighting among themselves. Expressions of time and place in the indirect speech, how it is happening. Now let us see. While reporting speeches, the following words denoting nearness of time and place are replaced by the corresponding words denoting remoteness or distance if the reporting verb is in the past tense. Now let us study how it is changing in direct and indirect speech.